vlog. I don't want to be in the way of anybody like
Morning.
doing their daily exercise and routines. Got up this morning at like 7 o'clock and I felt weird, so I went for a walk on my own and went back. Thomas was awake, so now we're going into Amsterdam for an adventure. What noise? What noise? What noise? I don't understand.
You sort of just breathe a bit heavier.
This is my most vulnerable.
Exactly.
People can't see me this way. I'll sleep when I'm dead. I just rest like this with my eyes open. Open. Shine, bitch.
I'm already shining, bitch. What the fuck? She just... I'm trying to have a conversation with Sarah, and then you put the camera where Sarah is. Like, I'm trying to talk to Sarah, and she was looking at me the fucking way. Yeah, but I can't see you with that camera in my eye. That's how most people feel with you. You got to do the little dance that he does when he gets up. Yippee!
Oh, bloody hell, day 3 of the vlog. Hi vlog, good afternoon, good morning. You were with us earlier, we were on an adventure. Everybody else has now joined the adventure. We've showered and stuff. I can't with this, like, the wind-blown look.
Can't deal with
Yeah.
this cold.
But day 3 in Amsterdam, we're going to the red light district today.
Yeah.
You boy. See you there.
How can I
Are we allowed to roll in here then, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna do that then. That wasn't in English a second ago. I'm fucked up. Wait.
It's one of these ones.
This is literally the second day in a row I've just left the hotel and gone for a walk. I didn't think we'd make it to this point, but here we are. And it's probably, I don't know, I'm just so happy to be here. And every day, I keep waking up and I'm doing different things and going different places, and it's so fucking good. It's so good. You need to see how beautiful it is in the morning too. Let me show you. Dead ass, the most calmest surroundings. And one thing I've learned is everybody cycles and everybody walks and everybody just is active and healthy, and it's amazing. I'm just going to keep walking because it's pretty dead this morning on Sunday.
Maybe you wouldn't cycle on God's day. There's a cyclist.
This has been the best experience I've had in a very long time. Good morning. Guten morning, bitch. Oh yeah.
So I get to be Tinky Winky.
He's dead now.
I kind of killed my childhood in about 0.5 of a second.
Wow. I look like I'm at the other side of the Titanic. Can't see nothing.
Yes, mate. Hey. So one thing I've noticed about Amsterdam is the stairs are incredibly steep no matter where you go.
Yeah, man.
This is all I've wanted to see the whole trip. Schwan. That's Schwan right there. Schwan. I can't do it. Right, Rick's Cafe. There's a car just like, hello sir. In Amsterdam, we're in the red light district. We're here at Rick's Cafe.
Where?
Rick's Cafe.
Where? Rick's Cafe.
Rick's Cafe. Come on, I fucking nailed it the first time. I've got a creaky leg. You've got a creaky leg. You've got a creaky leg. We've all got creaky legs in this house. We're not on the sea, are we? No, you didn't imagine it. Nothing like that.
Well, it's scheduled, right?
Just for the canal team.
Still a really bad angle of second.
We're on a canal boat tour bus.
Boat.
I can't do
Canoe.
that. Did I say canoe again?
Yeah.
Just say canal.
Check Google
The bus. I keep calling it a bus. A bus instead of a boat. I need an alcoholic beverage. Oh my gosh. That doesn't sound. I'm not at all scared. This is everything.